Thy path to financial success. Strategies for building wealth and security. Financial success is a journey marked by effective money management, smart decisions, and a proactive approach to building wealth and security. It goes beyond material accumulation, encompassing the ability to achieve financial goals, enjoy a comfortable lifestyle, and provide for future needs. To attain financial success, one must embrace strategic planning, disciplined habits, and a mindset that values both short-term gains and long-term sustainability. 1. Define your goals. Begin your journey toward financial success by setting clear and achievable goals. Whether it's buying a home, paying off debt, saving for retirement, or starting a business. Well-defined goals provide direction and purpose to your financial decisions. 2. Create a budget. Develop a comprehensive budget that outlines your income, expenses, and savings goals. A budget helps you track your spending, identify areas for improvement, and ensure that your financial choices align with your objectives. 3. Live within your means. Adopt a lifestyle that aligns with your financial means. Avoid overspending and prioritize needs over wants. Living within your means allows you to allocate resources towards savings and investments. 4. Manage debt wisely. Take a proactive approach to managing debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts first, and consider strategies to consolidate or refinance loans to lower interest rates. Reducing debt burden frees up resources for other financial goals. 5. Build an emergency fund. Establish an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a safety net during unforeseen circumstances and prevents you from relying on high-interest debt in emergencies. 6. Invest in knowledge. Invest in financial literacy by educating yourself about personal finance concepts, investment strategies, and market trends. Knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. 7. Diversify investments. Develop a diversified investment portfolio that includes a mix of assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Diversification helps manage risk and maximize returns over the long term. 8. Set retirement goals. Plan for your retirement by contributing to retirement accounts, such as 401ks or IRAs. Starting early and consistently saving for retirement allows your investments to compound over time, ensuring financial security in your golden years. 9. Focus on long-term growth. Maintain a long-term perspective when it comes to investing. While short-term market fluctuations are inevitable, the potential for long-term growth remains strong. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on market volatility. 10. Automate savings. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. This ensures consistent contributions and helps you stay committed to your financial goals. 11. Continuously evaluate and adjust. Regularly review your financial goals and progress. Life circumstances change and adjustments may be necessary to stay on track. Be flexible and willing to modify your financial strategies as needed. 12. Seek professional advice. Consult with financial advisors or experts to gain insights tailored to your unique financial situation. A financial advisor can provide guidance on investment strategies, retirement planning, and wealth preservation. 13. Monitor credit and financial health. Regularly monitor your credit score and financial health. A strong credit score can result in better loan terms and interest rates, saving you money in the long run. 14. Practice patience. Achieving financial success requires patience and discipline. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and instead focus on consistent, sustainable strategies that align with your long-term goals. 15. Give back. As you achieve financial success, consider giving back to your community or supporting causes that matter to you. Philanthropy not only benefits others, but also brings a sense of fulfillment and purpose. In conclusion, financial success is attainable through a combination of informed decision-making, disciplined habits, and a commitment to your long-term goals. By defining clear objectives, creating a budget, managing debt, investing wisely, and practicing financial literacy, you can build wealth, achieve financial security, and enjoy the benefits of a comfortable lifestyle. Remember that financial success is a journey that requires consistent effort, ongoing learning, and the willingness to adapt to changing circumstances. With dedication and smart financial strategies, you can pave the way for a prosperous and secure future.